Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the ultimate bot expert advisor for MetaTrader 5. This ambitious 9-in-1 multi-strategy portfolio system trades gold, other major pairs and crosses from a single chart. Let's see what it's really about. Now, before we dive into today's expert advisor, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can download it for free by using the link in the description below, so ensure you check it out. It's totally worth it. Now, according to the developer, who is Mr. James Daniel Cole from the United Kingdom, is quite popular, has 4.7 stars from 62 reviews, 4 products, so it's quite popular. And this expert advisor is going for $1,350 US. It has some nice reviews and comments from people who have bought the expert advisor, especially reviews. I have some reviews here, but overall the ultimate bot combines multiple fully fledged strategies to one expert advisor. We have the trend following, we have the mean reversion, the breakout patterns, everything is listed here, and more across XAUUSD, GBP USD, and AUD card, and several other pairs. It's built as a diversified portfolio where each strategy trades on account equity. So if one group draws down, others reduce risks automatically. Now there's one chart set up on AUD card on the 15-minute time frame, handles everything else. It includes models like the Quantum King, the Algo Rebel, the Thread Hunter, the Bear Claw, and also have the Bear Claw, the Gold Prism, and others. Claims strong long-term backtests from 2018 with high win rates. These are some of its curves from 2018 to 2023. And this is its equity curve. I have some backtest here, and going to their results, this is what we have. We're seeing initial deposit of $1,000 and total net profit of 17 million, actually 120,205 US dollars in total net profit in the space of 5 years. And the profit factor is 1.92, total trades of 8,945, and the win rate is 76%, 76 to 79%. And that's all we have. For the max drawdown, equity is 5.88%, but the balance drawdown is 15.72%, which is quite on the high side. But if you can adjust the settings and the inputs, maybe you can get a lower drawdown than that and approach this expert advisor in a more conservative manner. Besides that, these are the numbers we have from its backtest, and it combines all of these strategies into one to trade on very popular Forex pairs. Now, FIFO and PropFirm compatible with proper settings. The idea is unmatched diversification in one package instead of running separate expert advisors. Now the key features that they push is the flexibility. They enable or disable individual strategies. I'm gonna see this on the MQ5. This is it. And the risk factor, the recovery rate. Then we also have the broker prefix support. We have the pair filters. We have the weekday options. You can choose what to use. And also it supports hedging and netting accounts and emphasizes smart risk management across the whole basket for more stable performance. Now my backtest on this ultimate bot was on XAUUSD on the 15-minute time frame. Based on real ticks and over the span of 1 year from June 2025 to June 2026, zero latency, ideal execution. and it was on a $10,000 deposit, and it ended with a small net loss of about $188, a profit factor of 0.89, and we had a 57% win rate, which is above average across 884 trades in total. Now the max drawdown stayed reasonable around 4.6 to 4.7%, and the equity curve was choppy with a noticeable dip in the middle before a partial recovery, but overall it struggled to stay positive. Compared to the developer's massive long-term profits and high win rates, this was way more modest and highlighted the challenges within its settings like strategy selectors, the Quantum King, Algo Rebel, the Gold Prism, and so on, the risk factor, and also the recovery rate, the pair filters. All of these actually matters when setting up this expert advisor, and you need to know how to do them properly to ensure you get the best of this expert advisor. I use the default inputs from the developer, and if you want to find one that actually suits your trading style, I think you should send a message to the developer himself for set files, which you can use to configure the expert advisor to work best for you. But based on the defaults, these are the results we are getting, so that it will help you fine-tune the portfolio, but it does require some work. And my verdict for this expert advisor is that it's a true multi-strategy expert advisor with solid diversification potential. The nuances will be that it includes complex interactions between models and periods where the basket underperforms. Then there is the hidden risks, which are correlated drawdowns, the broker dependency across many pairs. These are pairs in which it's going to be trading all at once. Now, my hidden risks, like I said, is the correlated drawdowns. Apart from that, it's good for experienced traders who test combinations and who can monitor all these pairs at once. Also, traders who have good brokers to be able to run all of this, good ECN brokers that can be able to handle this volume of trades and activity on all pairs at the same time. But beginners or those seeking simple, consistent gains should probably just avoid this expert advisor and go for something more suited for their preference. Now that's the end of our review of the ultimate bot. Like this video if you enjoyed this review. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more content like this. Drop in the comments which expert advisor you want me to test next, and don't forget to grab that free Forex robot in the description below. Useful indicators and patterns included. Don't forget that it's totally worth it. Now trade safe out there. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.